Hello and welcome to this video. Installing popcorn time on Firestick. Okay, if you watched the previous videos on how to get here, thanks for joining me. If not, in the descriptions below I have my other two videos, how to jailbreak your Firestick in less than 5 minutes and installing the downloader, which will enable you to install third-party software on your Firestick. I recommend you watching them before going forward. Alright, so installing it, first you want to do is click on downloader. Now in here for the URL, you want to type in http:// which should already be there for you. Then we're going to type in TroyPoint. .com. And we need // and then PT. Oh. And then we'll select go. I'll leave it there for 2 minutes. It'll be in the description below too. Now it's going to download the file. Okay. Once the file's finished downloading, you want to click down to where it says install. It's going to start installing popcorn time. It only takes a couple minutes. And once it comes up, I'll show you a little bit around. I won't be able to play movies or the actual shows because YouTube has the copyright things, and I've already received a strike on that for my videos. So, okay, once this is open, I like to click done. And then it's going to bring you back to this. You've already installed it. So just hit delete and confirm it. Okay. Then click your home button. Now you want to put popcorn time up here where you can access it. What you need to do is go down, not to recent, go to your apps and channels, scroll over to the right, and there it is. Popcorn time will start. I just hit the back arrow for that. If not, it'll open you up in a browser type thing. And there's your movies. Scroll up or down. Pick a movie. Once you scroll back up to the top, if you go right to the top left corner and click again left, it brings up your options menu. You can go from movies, you could search TV shows. If you go down, you could search, if you hit index or cinema. Go back, you could change the genre. When doing this, uncheck one and say you check comedy. Select OK. Or every one you check, that's what will come up. You could sort by popularity, quality. You could add them to one of your favorites. More settings. kind of hard to see. But one I like to change is default subtitles, where it says, it'll come up, it says English. I like to, if you push up, I like to have it without subtitles. And just click your back arrow, you're out, and you could start going around. Now I could show you how to start it, but I can't show you the movies. So if you click on one, that's the play, that's the download if you want to download it. The heart, that's if you want to put it in your favorites. But other than that, you're just going to hit the play button. Popcorn's going to shake a little bit. And don't get worried by this. This isn't downloading the movie onto your system. It's getting some of it already downloaded, which kind of prevents buffering, which makes the movie play a little bit, so you have some as you're watching it. Depending on your system, it may or may not buffer, but this helps tremendous. So maybe we'll see a couple minutes into this just to give you a little example of what it does. There, it's almost done. And that doesn't usually take very long. And let's see. And then your movie's starting. So we can't go any further, but and that's that. Hit your back button again to exit. And there's your app for that. And then it might pop up in your recents. Okay, thank you. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thank you and have a nice day.